Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Latiba. I'm with Coins Decor, your party one-stop shop. We're your party rental shop, balloon shop, and intimate event space. Today we're going to be showing you one of our Valentine's Day presents. If you watched us last week, you saw that we showed you ways to market your Valentine's decor and your Valentine's present. But what is the use of having that video if you don't know how to make the item? So I thought I should show you one of the simplest design that we had in our inventory. Last year, this was our best seller, but also last year I was new to making this particular design and I handcrafted each and every letter using a foam board. So as you can see, when I found these Mache paper letters, golden. What you're going to do is cut out the first layer. This is like a 3D box. So you'll cut out the first layer like I did in the video. And then you're going to go and measure and cut out your foam. Now that your foam is inserted with hot glue, just make sure you level it to the letters and getting rid of extra foaming. I'm always cleaning something. Now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and take our scissors and just cut out our flower so we can be able to place it on that foam in which we just laid in it. Like I said, this was a very simple and cute design. However, last year it was our best seller. Last year we had a 12-inch and this sold for $25. This year we have this in the 8 inches and it's being sold for $39. And you're wondering why. When you're trying something out for the first time, you do not know how to price it. You don't know how much work is going to go in it. But once you master it, just because you know how to do it good and do it fast doesn't mean it has to be cheap. But also last year when we sold these items for $25, we put a lot of work into it and everybody wanted a custom name. However, this year, given that we will be buying the letters, we decided that it would be best that we can pair it up with some helium balloons. Because don't forget, before I do all of this other extra stuff, I am a balloon artist first. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this video up to this point. To my constant subscribers and those who engage with us, I just want you to know I see you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for coming on our journey together. And I really, really adore each and everything you do. If you're in the local area, know that Queen's Decor is now booking for 2024 and 2025. We do take bookings up to a year and a year and a half in advance. With our system, we have never ever lost track of any deposit because you are signing a contract every time. Same thing we did with the roses. We're going to repeat that same step with the chocolate. And this is one of those designs that is super, super secure that you can flip upside down and it's not going to fall off. Don't worry about the hot glue and the chocolate. It's a low temp glue gun for one. For two, it's on the cupcake holder part. So the chocolate itself is not being affected at all. And it's still very much edible. Don't come for me. And it's still very much edible. But go ahead and add some greenery to that rose that you just inserted and created. And here is the full final look coming up, guys. This was an easy design. This design was done in about 7 minutes or less. And you can get a good turnaround for your buck. If you have not, once again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Your girl been consistent for almost 6 weeks. So, yes. Plus, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and share my videos with your friends. Just let them know that there's this girl that's always hustling. I think you should follow her. But look how cute this is. This is the perfect gift. Follow us for more.